These are the Walmart home appliance deals, so good, you'll double-check the price tags. I'm talking discounts that make your wallet breathe a sigh of relief. Every product link is waiting in the description because nobody's got time to type URLs. Let's dive in before these savings vanish. Arctic King 2-door mini fridge with freezer was $198, now $138. That's $60 saved on a mini fridge that's not so mini in performance. This compact champ fits perfectly in dorms, offices, or bedrooms. 2 separate doors keep frozen snacks and chilled drinks organized, no more soggy ice cream next to your soda. It's Energy Star rated, so you'll save even more on power bills. And that sleek stainless steel finish looks way more premium than its price tag. Best for students, small apartments, and anyone tired of sharing fridge space. AIRMSEN portable countertop dishwasher was $460, now $260, a massive $200 off. This mini dishwasher is proof that convenience doesn't need plumbing. It's got a built-in 5-liter water tank, 5 wash modes, and air dry function for spotless dishes every time. Perfect for renters, RV owners, or anyone who hates washing up after dinner. Compact enough to sit beside your sink, no tools, no hassle. Best for apartment dwellers, travelers, or anyone chasing a hands-free kitchen life. Gourmia slow cooker was $39, now just $18, over 50% off comfort food on autopilot. Drop in your ingredients, set it, and let it do its magic. The non-stick pot cleans in seconds, and the low-high settings handle everything from chili to pulled pork. Dinner cooks while you live your life, now that's efficiency. For under $20, it's practically a kitchen assistant. Best for busy families, meal preppers, and lazy chefs who still love flavor. Ninja 4-quart air fryer was $89, now $59. That's $30 saved on crispy perfection. This little powerhouse fries, roasts, and reheats with zero oil guilt. The 4-quart basket fits a full meal for 2, and cleanup's as easy as a quick rinse. Non-stick surface, crisper plate included, and it preheats faster than your oven can even blink. Once you taste those golden fries, you'll never look at your old oven the same again. Best for health-conscious cooks, quick lunches, and late-night snackers. Fatabeta Immersion Blender XNODE Toaster was $35, now $24, and $11 discount that turns soups, smoothies, and sauces into silky masterpieces. It's handheld, lightweight, and powered by a surprisingly strong motor that'll blitz through frozen fruit or creamy bisques without complaint. Switch speeds on the fly, clean it in seconds, and stash it in any drawer. It's the secret weapon every home cook should have but doesn't yet. Best for smoothie lovers, baby food prep, and anyone who hates washing full-size blenders. 4-slice retro design was $80, now $46 to $34 off to make breakfast cool again. 6 shade settings, bagel mode, and a crumb tray that actually makes cleaning enjoyable. This stainless steel beauty brings that classic diner look to your countertop, minus the grease. Dual controls mean you can toast your bagel while your partner burns their toast in peace. Simple, stylish, and built to last, a real morning upgrade. Best for breakfast fans, families, and vintage kitchen lovers. The Beast Mini Blender Plus was $119, now $101 to $17 off your new favorite countertop beast. Compact, sleek, and engineered like it came from a future smoothie lab. Crushes frozen fruit, ice, and veggies without breaking a sweat. It comes with extra vessels, a straw cap, and portable cups so you can blend, sip, and roll. Looks stylish enough to live on your counter 24/7 and powerful enough to replace your full-size blender. Best for fitness fans, on-the-go smoothie lovers, and anyone tired of cheap blenders that quit early. Prettycare cordless stick vacuum cleaner was $400, now just $79, a wild $321 off. That's not a discount, that's a rescue mission for your wallet. This lightweight cordless vacuum glides over carpet, hardwood, and even pet hair like it's on autopilot. LED headlights reveal every crumb your old vacuum missed. Quiet motor, long runtime, and it stands up on its own when you're done. This is premium cleaning tech at a clearance price. Best for pet owners, apartment dwellers, and neat freaks on a budget. Dreo HEPA Air Purifier was $180, now $70 to $110 saved on fresh air. If your home still smells like last night's takeout, this little machine fixes that fast. True HEPA filtration wipes out 99.97% of dust, allergens, and pet dander. Quiet sleep mode means it runs while you rest, no annoying hum. And that sleek design fits any modern room without screaming air filter. Clean air has never been this affordable. Best for allergy sufferers, pet parents, and anyone who values breathing easier. Costway portable automatic washing machine was $499, now $205. That's $294 off. This washer is proof you don't need a full laundry room to live like an adult. Fully automatic, easy to move, and built with a drain pump so setup's a breeze. The compact size hides serious capacity enough for a week's worth of clothes. Just plug it in, fill it up, and walk away. Laundry day suddenly feels manageable. Best for renters, small homes, and anyone tired of shared laundromats. Roborock Q10 X5 Plus Robot Vacuum was $500, now $350, a clean $159. Saved on pure laziness, redefined. This robot doesn't just vacuum, it maps, learns, and empties itself. AI navigation means it actually avoids socks, cords, and pet toys. Strong suction plus mop function gives you spotless floors with zero effort. Schedule cleanings right from your phone and come home to perfection. Best for busy professionals, pet owners, and anyone who'd rather scroll than sweep. FOHERE electric tea kettle was $39, now $23. That's $16 off your daily dose of calm. This sleek glass kettle boils water in under 3 minutes, faster than your patience level before caffeine. Auto shutoff, blue LED ring, and a stainless steel filter that keeps your brew pure. No plastic taste, no waiting game, just instant tea, coffee, or ramen rescue. Best for tea lovers, instant meal masters, and anyone upgrading from a stovetop kettle. Ninja Crispi 3-in-1 portable glass air fryer was $149, now $134, save $14. Air frying just leveled up. The Ninja Crispi brings 3 modes in one sleek glass body air fry, bake, and roast. Its transparent viewing window means you can literally watch your fries get crispy without opening the lid. Fast Cook Tech cuts preheat time down to almost nothing. Compact, modern, and ridiculously easy to clean. This air fryer looks good on your counter and on camera. Ninja nailed the small but powerful balance again. Best for busy families, students, and anyone chasing crunch without the oil. Was $60, now $38, save $21. Say goodbye to wasted food and messy storage. The Caso design, all-in-one vacuum system, seals freshness like a pro. Keeping leftovers, snacks, and meal preps airtight for weeks. It's compact, fast, and surprisingly quiet. With a single touch, it pulls out air and seals your bag automatically. Perfect for sous vide cooking, marinating meat, or organizing dry goods. It even comes with reusable bags, so you save money and the planet. Best for meal preppers, busy parents, and anyone who hates freezer burn. 10-in-1 nut milk maker and blender was $169. Now $99, a solid $70 saved. Almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, you name it, it makes it. This multitasker also whips up smoothies, soups, and even hot chocolate. Self-clean mode? Yes, please. No soaking, no scrubbing, no excuses. Save cash, skip additives, and make plant-based magic right in your kitchen. Best for vegans, baristas at home, and anyone who likes control over their ingredients. Every single link is waiting in the description, updated for this week's prices, so if something caught your eye, don't wait. Because with these discounts, they'll vanish faster than your leftovers. Before you bounce, hit that like button if you found at least one deal worth grabbing. Subscribe so you never miss next week's Walmart drop.